If you are just getting started and want to explore different robot behaviors or how different blocks in VEX Code IQ blocks are used, example projects are a great resource. To open an example project, select the File menu and choose Open Examples. Here, you'll see icons for many different example projects. Each icon represents a different project and are color-coded according to the block categories. You can also use the filter bar to quickly find a specific type of example. There is also a special type of example called templates. Templates have a special icon and are used to create a blank project with a preset device configuration. If you are using a standard robot build, like the Clawbot or Autopilot, you can use a template to quickly get started with a new program. To open any example, select one from the menu. Once opened, you can add and remove blocks to make the example project your own. Save and download the example to try it on your robot.